Okay, here we have the Rogers hip press. So a couple things to highlight. To adjust the seat, you're just going to pull up on this lever and pull it up. Same thing to go back, pull up, and you're gonna have to push back with a little bit of force. Get that locked in. Then in terms of loading, you can load either of the pegs. It loads unilaterally. So we're going to toss on a quarter. We'll come in here. And then how you want your feet set up. So you want it pretty snug. You don't want to have the bench too far back or the seat too far back. You're going to place your feet about shoulder width apart. And then on this, what you're going to want to do is you want to have a lot of that drive pushing through your heels. And as you bring it back, you want to open up your hips wide, bringing your knees as close to your chest as possible, and then drive out. So in order to rack it and unrack it, you're just going to flip these bars. So unracked, you just flip them out, re-rack, pull them in, and then you're starting from there. This is one of my favorite leg pieces in the gym. I use this in my personal routine every week, and that is the hip press.